In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and here enroll advanced options. Here you will find developer mode, and if you cannot find developer options here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, on how to unlock developer options, and then click to open. Now scroll down, and here you will notice System Demo Mode. So as only you want to activate it, click on it, and use the switcher to turn it on. You can also make it visible by using Show Demo Mode, and then you can turn it off the same way. And this is it. That will be all. How you can activate and deactivate demo mode, how you can make it visible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.